In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Uber Eats order. To get started, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. This is important because your active and past orders are tied to your account, so you'll need to be signed in before you can manage anything. Once you're in the app, go to your current order. To do that, tap Orders and look for the order you want to cancel. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you've placed multiple orders recently. Opening the order details will let you see its current status, which is helpful because cancellation options can depend on how far along the restaurant is in the process. If the restaurant has not started preparing your food yet, you may be able to cancel directly in the app. On the order screen, tap Help or Manage Order, depending on what appears in your version of the app. Then choose Cancel Order. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Take a moment to read the confirmation message carefully before you finalize it, so you understand whether any charges may apply. It's also important to check whether your order qualifies for a refund. In many cases, if the restaurant has not started preparing the order, you can cancel without paying a fee. That's why acting quickly matters. The earlier you cancel, the better your chances of avoiding extra charges. However, if the restaurant has already accepted the order or started preparing the food, you may be charged for part or all of the order. Uber Eats may limit cancellation options at that stage, since the restaurant may already be using ingredients, staff time, and resources to prepare your meal. In addition, once a courier has been assigned or the food is already prepared, refunds are usually more limited. That means even if you cancel, you might not receive the full amount back. If you're unsure, pay close attention to the messages shown during the cancellation process, since the app will usually explain what refund, if any, you can expect. So, to recap in a simple way, open Uber Eats, go to Orders, select the order, tap Help or Manage Order, choose Cancel Order, and then confirm. Just remember that your refund eligibility depends